NTTF Alumni Association, through its Tooling Expo Pune 2025, is creating a powerful platform that directly strengthens India's manufacturing backbone. Alumni Network is enabling knowledge exchange, promoting advanced tooling practices, and supporting MSMEs and OEMs with access to modern solutions. I am Harishankar, Managing Editor of Machine Maker. I am at NTTF Pune Tooling Expo.
Exposures through symposiums like this, exposure through exhibitions like these are very, very important for not only for the fraternity to come together, but also collectively grow together and make in India for the world.
Such events definitely will help the tooling industry mature in this country. We, compared to China, we are nowhere. Such events should be more and more organized across the country so that the industry improves, thereby Indian industry also improves.
Today we saw the exhibition here, which is promoting many MSMEs, and it is a good tooling ecosystem is getting developed here in Pune, and I think it is a need of the hour today. And similar tooling ecosystem need to be developed across India to support the growing automotive needs.